decided to come out on that one night.
Oh, yeah.
And now,
They're feeding the spiders! Oh, God! It's on me! Oh, Jesus. What the?
We're up here at the Jail of Terror for their special Valentine's Day event called Valentine's Day Sucks. And given the title, we are inclined to think that they probably have some vampires in there. And this is actually our very first time being here, so we're super excited to see what the Jail of Terror has to offer. Let's go inside and check it out.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's not creepy at all.
Especially in a jail.
Yeah.
Oh. It's freaking creepy is what it is.
Uh-huh.
Oh man, that one's headless. Little barred windows. Shoot.
Ooh. Death wish to break in here tonight.
Oh,
The
yes.
vampires have risen and they are hungry. There's not a lot of warm blood around here, so you need to be quiet and on alert if you want to make it out of here human and alive. Okay. Don't trust Cupid, he's one of them too.
Ah, Cupid.
Cupid is a vampire.
We'll stay away from Cupid.
Tell him that Sasha is gone, it's no use trying to save her.
Uh-oh.
I know that people do crazy things for love, but I just can't have him turn into one of them too.
Right?
This way.
Sasha, there's no saving her. What's her name? Ooh, that was loud.
Now we're in the jail cell.
Uh-oh. Oh, this is
now we're in.
so awesome. Oh, I bet you do. Oh, hello there.
Uh-oh.
She's got a leg.
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Oh, you will? I don't think I need that. Nah.
This is what I'm talking about now.
Oh, wait. Not this one.
Uh-oh.
She's taken.
Her blood's
I
cold.
shared her leg.
Her blood's cold.
You need to get more scared then. Your tastes better.
Ooh, you do have some nice blood there. Oh my gosh.
Make call dibs. That doesn't mean anything.
Okay, all right. She
Stalking
may
us.
call dibs.
Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. Oh, God.
Oh. He's on you. Oh my, that just like resonates through the building.
Uh-huh.
But where do you think you're going? I didn't say you could leave.
We're following these people.
We're trying to
Now
not...
you're mine.
We're trying to not get our blood sucked.
You'll have a ton of fun, I promise.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Smells delicious.
Oh, I'll take that as a compliment, I guess.
This is a vampire. Don't trust
Good
it.
look at you. You have a different blood type than O positive.
I have no idea.
It's so positive, and I would know it if I smelled it.
Ah.
Because this little blood bag I've had around for 20-ish years.
Oh.
He was given to me as an infant. Why don't you go ahead and get in the room with the rest of my pets? Go on, get in the room. Go ahead, get in the room. Oh no, you don't want to go in here.
Oh no, there's a big spider.
Oh!
No, they're feeding the spiders.
You know, you guys are lucky that I'm not in the market for a new pet anymore because I have one that is so sweet and so well behaved.
Oh my.
Eat. Let go of your leash.
Uh-oh.
Now, we come out once a night to find pets. We have at this old jail. I don't know how you got in here, but it's been a long time since we had some fresh blood.
Oh.
Are you hearing that?
Hear the music.
I swear I hear somebody talking. Give me 1 second.
It's the
I just hear
spiders.
the
What about
music.
him? You need help.
They're crazy. They're insane.
They use me for his blood. Aww.
That's not very nice at all.
I'm more worried about the spider than that thing.
Are you talking? Was he talking?
No.
No.
Was he talking?
Not a bit.
You're all lying because I
You're
saw
cutting
his
spiders.
mouth moving.
I hope you find my friends hospitable. And as for you, I will deal with you later.
Ooh,
Stay in the corner.
Uh-oh.
Stay away from the spiders.
He's in trouble.
Down. Down.
Uh-oh.
It's nice you got the puppy pad.
Now.
Yeah.
Get down the stairs.
Uh-oh.
They're waiting on you.
There's not
Go
any more
down
spiders.
the stairs. Get down the stairs.
Okay.
You have to go downstairs.
Oh gosh, it's getting loud.
Come on.
Everyone come in. There is room for all. I'm so sorry. My sisters can be a bit much and loud. They're just excited because tonight is. You better run! She's gonna complain about it for years.
I think that we need some.
Get in there! You're gonna go back, right?
Oh, I need one.
Are you gonna marry me? Oh my gosh, I need you to marry me!
Okay.
So you guys here to stay? You want to become one of the sisters? You're so beautiful. You
no.
definitely could be a part of it.
I still need attention.
Come on, let's go.
Still need
Why should we be
attention.
attention?
I have
Not
to
a good
find
idea.
somebody to marry you.
Well, let's go to marry me.
No, I don't know.
You're gonna marry me.
That's a big decision.
You're not supposed to be here. We don't like the men here. I know you're not pretty enough. You have to leave.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh, you guys have plenty of empty beds. It's kind of unnerving. Oh, no.
Nope.
Why are you guys going so slow? They're literally vampires.
I know they are.
God, you're getting tired of my blood. They're gonna
I'm not. I'm sorry. There was no blood that way.
No, unfortunately not. You guys are too slow. They got me again. I'm gonna die.
Uh-oh, back into the coffin.
You're not
Oh, they got some beautiful decorations.
Oh,
Oh, halt.
stop right there.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
You guys all right?
Yes.
I think so.
No bites?
No.
No bites. Almost got a wedding ring, but not a bite.
Where's Sasha?
They said not to worry
Yeah.
about Sasha.
Why not?
Since she was already...
She didn't make it.
She didn't make it.
Damn
Uh-oh. That's probably a
I
bad
don't even know
thing.
who Sasha is.
it! Listen up, people. These vamps come out once every year.
He has a knife.
Idiots have decided to come out on that one night.
Oh, yeah.
And
That'd be
now,
us.
you're about to enter the belly of the beast.
Uh-oh.
I've tried eradicating these fools for a long time. And let me tell you, they cannot be combated.
Uh-oh.
Garlic does not work.
Oh.
Holy water does not work.
They're hybrid vampires.
Salt, garlic, crosses, stakes, holy water, forget about all of it. Throw it all out of the window. Let me tell you, they hear everything. So do not, I repeat, do not make a noise. One whimper, one scream, one joke, and y'all start laughing, you're all done.
Uh-oh.
I'm already done.
They also smell everything. Now, unfortunately, some of you smell a little too strong. However, I'm telling you, make one noise, they got you. It's good enough for you guys, though. They cannot see that well. So
Oh.
stick to the dark and blend in. You understand me?
I
They're
can
all
do
red and
this.
black, so I think we're good.
I expect to hear about your safety in return.
Okay.
We gotta blend it in.
May God have mercy on all of you.
Hopefully we don't turn out like him.
What happened to your face?
Oh, she has lots of teeth. Yeah.
My Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name! Thy kingdom come! Thy will be done! On earth as it is in heaven!
Wow. Oh, no. That one's sneaky. I'm not doing a good job being quiet. Oh, piss. There's sparks. Oh, Jesus. What the? Wow. Blend in. Just... No, I don't like sparks.
Oh, you dirty son of sweetheart!
Whoa!
How you doing, ladies?
Great. How are you?
Will you be his Valentine? Come on,
sure.
please! Come on!
Yeah. Doesn't it look like he talks much? That's what smells. That smells like burnt. No! That smells burnt. Where do we go? Oh! Yes!
Will you be his Valentine?
Yeah.
See, it even smells burnt in here. Oh, gosh, damn. That poor guy. Ugh. That's what happens to all the blood. You fried it out of him.
Uh-oh.
That guy.
You welcome back, doggy here.
Bye, Valentine! That's really cool how you get up there and those windows are like 3 layers.
Uh-huh.